In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some really exciting and easy way for you to start making money online. First things first, let's get real. You do need to put in a little effort to begin making money online and have the cash flowing in. So then the good news for you is I've discovered some really great methods that are pretty easy and don't require you to put in too much time or effort. However, some of these methods might just need a little bit of upfront for automation, but they're still quite straightforward. In this video, I'll be walking you through what I believe are the top 5 easiest ways for beginners to start making money online, especially if you prefer a more laid-back approach. Now then, as we kick off, some of these methods might be just what you're looking for, especially if you're into the idea of making money online without being too super hands-on. I'll be covering all the essential details, so do stick around until the end. Now, if you're wondering who I am and why you should listen to me, welcome to my channel. I'm Lorna Recommend and I'm beyond excited for a game-changing moment on our channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for being part of this incredible journey with me. And if you're new around here, a warm hello and a massive thanks for dropping in. Now, you might have noticed something a little different today. Drum roll, please. Because for the very first time, I'm stepping out from behind the scenes and showing my face. Yep, the faceless era is officially over. Why the change, I hear you asking? Well, I believe in constantly evolving and better connecting with you all on a more personal level. So get ready for an even more authentic and engaging experience as we explore, share, and have a blast making money together online. Now, if you've not already done so, then please do go ahead, like this video, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. On this channel, we talk about all things money. And if you're all about making money online, creating and building wealth, then this is the right place and community for you. And hey, don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. So without further ado, let's dive into today's content. Now, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 great ideas for digital products that you can sell online to generate recurring income. So the first one is sharing with you 6 great ideas for digital products that you can sell online to generate recurring income. So the first one is online courses or e-learning programs. You can easily create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. And you can also offer memberships for ongoing access to new course content. Number 2 is ebooks or digital guides. You can write and sell ebooks or digital guides on platforms like Amazon Kindle or even your own website. You could also consider a subscription model for access to a library of written content. Number 3 idea is stock photography or graphics. You can sell high quality photos, illustrations, or graphics on platforms such as Shutterstock or Adobe Stock and earn a decent amount of money from it. And why not also offer a subscription service for regular access to new content? Okay, number 4 is digital art or design templates. Because we live in a world where AI technology is readily available to us, unless of course you've been living under a rock, then why not go ahead and use a free AI tool to create and sell digital art or design templates for use in various projects. And then you offer a subscription for regular updates and new releases to make even more money. Number 5 is digital planners or organizational tools. You can easily create and sell digital planners, calendars, or organizational tools, as well as offering a subscription for regular updates and new features. Number 6 is printable art or stationery. Why not design and sell printable art, greeting cards, or stationery items, again using AI technology, then go on to provide a subscription for new designs on a regular basis? Do remember to choose a digital product that aligns with your skills or expertise and the needs of your target audience. Additionally, offering a subscription model can provide a steady and reliable stream of recurring income. The next method might surprise you. It's using your handwriting. If you've got nice handwriting, might surprise you. It's using your handwriting. If you've got nice handwriting, guess what? People will pay for it. Your handwriting can be licensed and sold on platforms like Creative Marketplace, particularly for things like signature fonts, for personal brands and websites. This is a unique and creative way to earn money online. Up next is a method that involves creating pre-recorded affirmation and relaxation content. If you're good at this, have a soothing voice, then there's a market waiting just for you. You can create and sell content on platforms like Teachable to people who are actively looking for relaxation and affirmation content, which is all about creating a niche authority website. This involves setting up a website dedicated to a specific or particular topic and filling it with informative articles. Use your creativity. It could be humorous or even travel, etc., etc. Your goal here is to attract people looking for information about specific products linked to your niche. So, with smart branding and a focus on SEO, your website could well rank on Google, thereby opening up even more opportunities to earn money through ads, selling your own products, or even selling the site later on down the line. Now then, if you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and share it to support the channel. Once again, guys, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.